During today's minute, we are going to be making 2-ingredient fruit gummies. Hey, it's Allison from Mom with a Minute. Since it's nap time, we need a little treat because get a treat at nap time. Chocolate. Okay, now we're ready to get started. So this is everything that I use. It's just the molds, the juice, and the gelatin. Usually the kids help me, but for the purpose of this video, they're not helping me today. You have 20 more minutes. My 1-year-old woke up as soon as I got everything situated here, so he's eating blueberries. But I'm still gonna try to get this done. It's pretty quick. Okay, so we're gonna turn our stove on to about medium, and then we are going to put 1 cup of juice. I use about 2 tablespoons of gelatin, but if you want your gummies to be more gummy, you can use more gelatin. It's really all personal preference, so it just depends on what type of gummies you like and what type of gummies your kids like. And if your kids want something a little more sweet, you can always add a little bit of honey to this. My kids actually don't seem to mind that it's really tart, so I just leave it like that. About 1 tablespoon of the gelatin, there's 11 grams of protein. In these gummies total, there's about 22 grams of protein in it, plus it's just 100% fruit juice. So they're a really healthy snack, much better than the stuff from the store. And they're super easy to make. Typically it'll thicken and then it will get like runny again. This isn't really, it's just still really runny. Honestly, I probably should have looked back at how I used to make them before I started this video. It's real life. I don't think juice and gelatin you can like really go wrong very much. So I think we're just gonna go with this and see how they turn out. So if this happens to you, you'll know that it will turn out fine. Typically what I'll do is I'll put my silicone molds on a tray like this so that it's easy to transfer. Now we will take our juice and gelatin, pour it in the molds. My kids' favorite are the hippos and the lions. Yeah, raw. We will let these cool for a little bit so that when we're moving them, they're not going to spill out all on the floor. Like they're pretty solid to be able to put in the fridge. All right, so those have been sitting for a little while, so I'm going to transfer them to the fridge. Those will be in the fridge for a few hours until they harden up, and then you can take them out and eat them, and then I store them in an airtight container in the fridge, although they only last typically a couple days. All 3 kids are up now, so we are gonna go do some other things and check back in a couple hours. All right, we were outside for a while this afternoon, and now we're back to see if these should have hardened up. So let's pull one of these out. There we go. And there is your homemade gummy. So super easy, just 2 ingredients, and they come out really good and really cute. There's so many different molds of these that you can find. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop the rest of these out, put in a container, although my kids will probably eat a lot of these right now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Mom with a minute. I don't have a minute right now because my child is crying.